Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you're all well and I hope you're alright. If you want to see how I created that look, then keep on watching. Yes, I have already glued my eyebrows down so I look just stupid really. But I've got my red wig on, but I have had to, because my head's so big, no wigs fit me at all. So I've had to like incorporate my black hair into my style a little bit. I'm not very good at wigs, as you can probably tell, but hopefully it'll complete the look once it's finished. But yeah, so you already know what we're doing. I ain't got a clue. I hope it turns out well because I'm really excited for it. And this time I'm going to try not to talk as much as normal because I did a poll on Instagram the other day and it's pretty clear that you guys prefer much shorter videos, not my usual like half hour because I ramble on loads. So we're going to get straight on with it. So first things first, I am going to map out some of the shapes that I want on my face. I'm just going to do that with a brown eyeshadow and a small brush. Oh, we're off to a great start. I'm so bad at drawing love arts. What a theme to choose. This week's theme's actually chosen on Instagram. I put a question up by Sierra. I think that's how you say your name. If I've said it wrong, I'm really sorry. But she does always have a YouTube also. What am I saying? She does also have a YouTube channel called, I think it's called Sierra's Journey, and it is a very inspirational, lovely, great, fun channel, which I will link down below for you to check out. I'm doing the body smaller than the head because obviously in the film she has like a really massive head. Okay, so to be honest with you, I think I'm going to start actually with the chest rather than the head first like normal because there's just a lot going on everywhere and I just feel like if I get this bit done, then this bit might be easier. I don't know. I might eat my words in 2 minutes. Well, 2 minutes for you, which would be 2 hours for me. So I'll be using my Craft Pro paints again, which I'm a little low on the white, which is quite concerning, so I might have to whack out the old Snazaroo soon. So I'm going to do the white base in the face as well because I just want to get all the white out of the way for when I do the rest of it, and I probably can't find a clean brush again. If you can see, I've got loads and loads of little white speckles in my hair from when I've just been flicking it away. My eyebrows becoming uncovered because of the water in the paint. Right, so now I think I'm going to go in and add all the red sections. Start from the bottom and work his way up again. I'm just going to add some powder before I get onto the face with the red, because I want to do obviously the contour and shaping of the face before I do the eyes. So I'm going to add a little bit of black first for the contour. Just using a black eyeshadow. Instead of a normal blush, I'm just going to use like a bright pink eyeshadow to really, really get that look that I want. Oh, that's bright. Can you even see that on the camera? It's really, really bright in person. That's so weird, it's so bright in person. Then of course I need to highlight, so I'm just going to highlight with literally just like white. Right, now we're all highlighted. Let's go back to painting with the red. I love that. I hope so. Right, lips. And then all the red is done. Right, blue. So I want to make a really, really light blue for this eye. Ooh, then I'm going to go around that with a darker blue. Ooh, it's a little bit messy, but it doesn't matter because we're going to blend that out anyway. Oh, I need more of that light blue. Yeah, we're going to blend that out into a blurry edge. Right. Oh, I need to do the opposite one of this. So. Right, time for some black lines. Ooh. This one I'm hoping it's going to start coming together, but it's like once you finish the lines and you add a bit of shade and it just like changes it so drastically. So let's start down here. That annoys me so much that that's not symmetrical, but we move. Right, I'm just going to go ahead and paint all my shoulders areas black so that you get the illusion. Okay, so I'm back and I've now coloured in at the shoulders, which took a while. So let's carry on with the black lining before we move on to all the shading. I don't like the mouth at all. I think I might take it off. I'll do it in a second. But I've rubbed that mouth off because it was just horrible and it was just a bit too... It looks a bit like a fish. So I need to paint that white again and try a different style, a different idea. Okay, obviously they are slightly bigger than my normal lips, but a lot better. See if we can get some red into the middle. So I'm going to start off with the blue eye. Eyelashes. Oh, we're nearly there. I've got some really, really long, like, drag queen lashes, so hopefully they'll stand out. From my Panto makeup for dames. Right, I'll pop the lashes on and I'm back in it 2 secs. Right, okay, I need to finish click because these eyelashes are not wanting to stay on. So, this is my finished. Off with her own head look. Let me know what you think of the less talking and shorter videos. I don't know, I just didn't feel like it were me, like one of my videos. Like, I love just rambling on and having a laugh with you guys, and I'm sorry if that it does make it really, really long, but yeah, let me know what you prefer. I will try and do more like this if you want, if you really want to see that, but I just missed having a little chat with you all. But yeah, I'm kind of impressed with how this look turned out. It's not too bad, I don't think. The illusion's not as good, I don't think, because it's white face paint, but yeah. I started at 7:30, it's now 10:30, so I'm going to go eat my Sunday dinner now, which is going to be freezing. But love to you all. I hope you have the bestest Christmas ever, providing everything that's going on in the world. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Boo. Bitch, I'm a ghost.